Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In the video, let's see how to solve the ninth question in exercise 7.1. Find the integration of 2x squared plus e power x dx. So input first adhe style la eludikalam. Integral of 2x squared plus e power x dx. Ingu term ku nadula plus sign. So I'm going to integrate it term wise. So it எப்படி split பண்ண போறோம்? Integral 2x squared dx plus integral e power x dx. நமக்கு என்ன தெரியும்? 2 is a constant. So integrationக்கு வெளியில கூட்டிட்டு போயிடலாம். So 2 into x squared dx plus integral of e power x dx. இப்போ நமக்கு என்ன தெரியும்? Integration formula is actually x power n dx க்கு it is x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. So இங்க n is equal to 2. அப்ப integrate பண்ணி முடிச்சா it is x cubed by 3. So இது இந்த 2 ஓட combine பண்ணா it is 2x cubed by 3 plus integration of e power x is e power x a. Differentiation of e power x is the same. So the integration of e power x is also e power x. And since we are doing integration without limits, so there is a constant plus c. In the next video, we will see how to solve the 10th question in this exercise. Please extend your support to me by subscribing to my channel Smartly Learn. You can also reach out to me through my website www.smartlylearn.in for more practice worksheets. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.